Hi, this is Dave Bliven, Bronx and Westchester divorce attorney with another episode of Lessons from the Divorce Wars. So I had a case several years ago where my client retained me to do what seemingly was a simple uncontested divorce case. So we file the case, get the wife served. Unfortunately, the wife hired an attorney who really does a volume practice. He was an older attorney. He delegated a lot of work to his paralegal. And it was really impossible to get anything out of him. We were requesting simple things like exchanges of network statements. It took months to get anything out of him. I would send 2-3 emails. We'd call his office, no response. After a while, the client started getting frustrated at the case, then started getting frustrated at me. And I had to tell him, look, there's really nothing that I can do other than to continue, following up with this attorney. Your only other option is to contest the case, which then makes it a lot more expensive to see through to the end. Contested cases, as opposed to uncontested cases, they run in the hundreds or thousands of dollars. Contested cases run into the tens of thousands or more. So, I told my client that at first we contested the case because this guy just wasn't responding at all. Then we, ironically enough, we settled the case at the preliminary conference. But then we still had to exchange the settlement agreement and the judgment package. And right after the preliminary conference, then all of a sudden the attorney started going ghost again. Wouldn't get back to us with regards to the settlement agreement. Wouldn't get back to us with regards to the judgment package. And it took so long to resolve this case. And it shouldn't have. But the point is the client started getting frustrated at me as if I had some higher power over this other attorney to make him go faster. And I don't. That's the reality. So that's the lesson to take away from this is you can hire a really good attorney, but they only have so much power. Ultimately, if you want to speed up your case, you may have to spend more money that you don't want to get to that point. So just bear that in mind when going through any case. And it may be, something where you may want to go to your spouse and say, hey, is this attorney getting back to you? Because he's not getting back to my attorney, to try and speed things up. But that's another lesson for divorce cases. If you're looking for more answers to questions like that, check out my blog. It's at blivenlaw.net/blog. Thanks a lot.